Hi friends, can you tell the difference between facts and fiction? What is fiction? Fiction is an invented story. There may not be reality in it, but facts are reality. Sometimes even facts seem to be stranger than fiction. How can we say that? See, suppose if milk is given to you, can you separate water from milk? Both are mixed in it. If you want to separate water from milk, you have to boil milk and you have to collect all the water vapors and may cool them, and then you can get back water. But you cannot, otherwise you cannot separate water from milk. But a swan can do it. Suppose if you put milk in front of swan, it drinks only milk and leaves water. So it indicates that it's fact actually, and it indicates facts are stranger than fiction. Now let us talk about chameleon. Chameleon is just like a garden lizard. It is actually not garden lizard. It looks like garden lizard, but there is some variation between those two lizards. Right? See, it takes the color of the object it holds on. Suppose if it crawls on the twigs which are brownish in color, it takes the color of the twig. Its color changes into brown. Suppose if it crawls on green twig or green leaves, its color again changes into green. That is what is known as camouflage also. So that also proves that facts are stranger than fiction. What about camel? What is camel called? Camel is called the ship of the desert. See, we know that there is scarcity of water in deserted areas. But whenever water is available, it drinks plenty of water and stores in its hump, and then it uses whenever it needs. So, and many days together it can live without drinking water because it uses that water which is there in its hump. Suppose if we go to polar region, cold countries and all, we wear all sweaters and all, woolen clothes we take, right? To make ourselves withstand to the cold environment. But polar bear, there are many animals which live in polar region. How are they able to live there? Because they have thick fur of coat. What is that thick fur of coat which is there inside the skin? That is nothing but solidification of fat. The fat is solidified in such a way, it acts as a jacket to us, it acts as a coat to us. So that is also stranger than fiction. If you take porcupine, it has thorn-like structures on its body. Why does it have thorn-like structures on its body? To defend itself from its enemies. In our case, if we want to defend ourselves, we need to have weapons, but their body is structured in that way. So, when these animals' bodies are structured in the way, that is what is known as adaptation. So, God has created their bodies in such a way, from within themselves, they can be protected. We need to depend on external factors. But these animals' bodies are adapted themselves in such a way. These adaptations are called self-defensive mechanisms. Thus, all these aspects prove facts are stranger than fiction.